Hey everyone, welcome back to Jntuh concepts. So in this video we are going to discuss predicate logic topic. So before starting the topic, if you are new to this channel, in Jntuh concepts we cover all the Jntuh subjects that are important for your B.Tech and semester exams. So in particular these are important for the students who are under JNTU universities or JNTU affiliated colleges like JNTUA, JNTUK, etc. So before starting, don't forget to subscribe this channel, do like this video, and without any late, let's get into our today's topic. Predicate logic. Predicate logic is a formal system in mathematical logic that is used to express statements about objects and their relationships. It involves usage of logic to represent knowledge and perform reasoning. It is also known as first order logic or first order predicate logic. Predicate logic is an extension of propositional logic. The result of predicate logic can either be true or false. Predicate logic has some key components like objects. Objects are fixed value terms that are belong to a given domain. These are denoted by numbers, words, and small letters. Objects are also known as constraints. For example, Ram, Delhi, Phi, etc. All these are objects and also be known as constraints. The next component is variables. These are placeholders for objects or symbols that represent the unspecified objects. For example, x, y, z, etc. variables. The next component is predicates. These represent the relationship between objects and these are represented using capital letters. They can also be represented like in this form. For example, so it is an example for predicates. The next one or the next component is quantifiers. These are important for your 2 marks in exams. Quantifiers are used to express statements about a range of objects. These are of 2 types. The first one is universal quantifiers. It indicates a statement that applies to all objects in a domain like for all, for every, for each, everything, for any, anything, etc. So understand this with this example. So it is the symbol used for universal quantifiers. It indicates a statement that applies to all objects in a domain like for all, for every, for each, everything, for any, anything, etc. So I have given an example so that you can understand it in a better way. For all x likes x comma ice cream, this particular statement means everyone likes ice cream. The next one is existential quantifiers. It is represented by this symbol, reverse of E. It indicates that there exists at least one object for which the statement is true. Like there exists for some, for at least one, there exists some. I have given an example for your better understanding. So existential quantifier x likes x comma ice cream. There is someone who likes ice cream. So this statement of existential quantifier gives the meaning there is someone who likes ice cream. So the next component of predicate logic is functions. Functions helps to map objects to other objects. An n-place function written as f. So this is the representation of functions where ti are the terms. So the last components of predicate logic is connectives. Predicate logic uses connectives like and, not, or implies equivalence. So these are the symbols for the corresponding connectives. So that is all about predicate logic. It is a small topic but it is important. It can be asked for 2 marks. So that is all about predicate logic in artificial intelligence of 3rd year 2nd semester in R23 regulation. So I hope you have understood this concept, and in our next video we will be covering the logic programming concept. So thanks for watching. Do like this video and keep learning.